Hi, this is a short tutorial just to cover downloading from the QTech KT65DL instrument. Firstly, make sure you've got your instrument plugged in and turned on, and that you've installed the drivers for the instrument's lead as per the instructions with the instrument. Then to download the information from the instrument within FormFill, you would go to the Import Export Data tab at the bottom of the screen and select the QTech option on the left. It will automatically detect whether it's a KT65 or a KT65DL. If you then click on Get Data from Instrument and then Get Data from Instrument again, it will communicate with the instrument, come up with a little image of the instrument once it's found it, and it will go through downloading the data. It should just take a few moments. The information downloaded will appear in the grid. You can see here we've got 2 distribution boards with 4 circuits across them. You can tick the boxes next to the circuits that you want to download and to the distribution boards you want to download as well. Each distribution board will be downloaded as a separate continuation sheet within the certificate. You can see here that we've got information across the board for these ones. To transfer the data to a certificate, you click the Transfer Data button. You can either transfer it to a current certificate, which is the one that you've got open at the moment, or to a new certificate. So if we click Transfer Data to a new certificate, we'll have to create a new certificate for the information. So we click Add New Number and give it a reference number for the certificate. Click OK. We'll see that it's created the certificate, and then we'll just go to the first distribution board here. You can see it's created 2 of them, and you can see that it's automatically put the test results in there for you that have been downloaded from the instrument, and the same for the second distribution board.